Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can check the call history on your Facebook Messenger. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you're logged in and using the latest version to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Let's open up the Messenger and here you can see tap on the setting, tap on the menu icon and here you will not be able to see any of the call history. Now all you have to do is go back, open the specific chat, and here you can see the call log. So guys, there is no other option to see the call history, unfortunately. All you can do is, if you want to check the call history, you can just open up the chat of someone and you can just scroll that chat and you will be able to see that chat history. There is no other way to see the chat history. Hope you guys understand, and guys, please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.